In the heart of the game, where dreams collide, nations unite with passion inside. From the streets to the stadiums, we come alive. For the beautiful game, we'll strive and we'll strive. This is our moment, our time to shine. Under the lights, we'll rise and climb. With every kick, with every goal, the spirit of football forever in our soul. From Rio to Moscow, and now to our land, the world comes together, hand in hand. In every corner a story to be told, of triumph and glory in green, white and gold. This is our moment, our time to shine. Under the lights we'll rise and climb. With every kick, with every goal, the spirit of football forever in our souls. So
Half a mile, slight right onto the I-5 California 60 ramp to Santa Ana, Pomona. Slight right onto the I-5 ramp.
this is our moment, our time to shine. Under the lights we'll rise and climb. With every kick, with every
Continue for half a mile.
the spirit of football forever in our soul. So let the world hear our roar. As we dance to the beat, forevermore. In the rhythm of the game, find our flow. For the love of football and the world. In the heart of the game, where dreams collide, nations unite with passion inside. From the streets to the stadiums, we come alive. For the beautiful game, we'll strive.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take the I-10 East ramp to I-5 North, Sacramento.
This is our moment, our time to shine. Under the lights, we'll rise and climb. With every kick, there is glory to be told. Triumph, glory, green, white, gold, gold, gold.
Use the right two lanes to take exit 135C for I-10 East toward San Bernardino.
From the streets